Hello students, subject science, class 4th, lesson teeth and digestion, module 1. Students, as you all know that a newborn baby do not have teeth. They are hidden inside the gums. The teeth start coming out when the baby is around 6 months old. So, these teeth are called baby teeth or milk teeth. These are temporary teeth. They are start to fall out when a child is around 6 years old. Another set of teeth grows in place of milk teeth. They are called permanent teeth. They remain with us for the rest of our life. Adults have 32 permanent teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. Our teeth help us to eat food. They also help us to speak and look good. Students, if you look into the mirror and open your mouth, can you see all your teeth are of same size and shape? No. Our teeth are of different sizes and shapes. They have different functions as well. So now I will tell you about the types of human teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. The sharp flat teeth in the front are for biting or cutting. They are called incisors. We have 4 of them in each jaw. On each side of the incisors is one pointed tooth called canine. Canines are tearing teeth. On each side, beside the canine, there are 2 flat, broad teeth called premolar. They are used for crushing food. Next to the premolars are 3 molars on each side of the jaw. They are used for grinding and chewing food. In each jaw we have 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 premolars and 6 molars. I will tell you structure of a teeth. Students, teeth are fixed in the gums of our jaws. Some part of a tooth is hidden inside the gum. It is called the root. The visible part of the tooth is called the crown. We have 4 different types of teeth. However, they all have a similar structure inside. Now, first of all, enamel is the outermost white part of the tooth. It is the hardest part of our body. Dentine lies below the enamel. It is also hard. Pulp lies inside the dentine. It is soft. It has blood vessels and nerves. The pulp forms the central part of a tooth. Now I want to tell you one more important thing, that taking care of the teeth. Teeth help us to chop, cut, tear and chew food. When we eat food, particles get stuck in the gaps between the teeth. Gums or bacteria grow in these gaps. They feed on the food particles and produce a substance called acid. The acid damages the enamel and causes a cavity, a hole in the tooth. The cavity reaches the pulp, the tooth start hurting when we eat and drink. So we should take care of our teeth. Now you can see the causes of the cavities. See the normal tooth, dental caries and dental cavities. It damages our teeth properly. We should take care of our teeth. In this module, we learnt about types of teeth and structure of a tooth. Thank you. Have a nice day.